Another little update for you guys. Power steering. So I found that reservoir. I was at the junkyard and I found let's see, I believe it was off of a Toyota Camry. I got a couple of them, a couple different styles, and can't remember exactly what it was off. Pretty sure it's a 90s, late 90s to 2000s Toyota Camry. So it's all the same outlet and inlet sizes. So got that line run. I gotta find another. I gotta go to the parts store, grab a line for the bigger one there. But there's the mount for it. Let's see, there's the other side. It was originally in 90 degrees, so I just straightened it out and bolted it right there. And fits up there good. It's out of the way. So obviously I'm gonna tie all these lines out when I get them, when I get everything run. So that's done. All right, guys, got the high pressure power steering line in. So I just went to a local place that makes hoses. So what they ended up doing is pulling the, this is actually off the stock Toyota line. They just took that, welded on a fitting there, or brazed it, fitting there for that line. And then they didn't have the right banjo, so this is what they gave me. It's the right thread for the Volkswagen pump, and just a 90, and it's actually AN, a 6 AN fitting here. So if that doesn't end up working, I can just get the banjo with that AN fitting or thread, and that should work. So I might give that a shot. It's about 24 inches. So I'll show you guys how it's mounted up in there if everything fits as it should. Alright, so here's that hose. It's kinda gotta do a nice little bend in it, and you kinda gotta loop it. So there it is right here, coming up, and then it loops around. So I might be able to get it a little bit better, but something like that. It's gonna have to loop because those are so close together and you need that rubber line in between them. So the motor moves, you got some movement there in the line so it doesn't just break it. So yeah, that's about what I'm gonna be doing. So hope that helps you guys out. And you can also actually, what I was gonna do in the first place was buy do it all AN line, but you have to buy special, I mean it's just higher PSI line and then special fittings for it too. They were a bit more expensive. It was gonna be like $100 just to build this one line. And I think that shop charged me like $50 for this. So that ain't too bad. So I'll have to make that work. So yeah, that's power steering is done. So the reservoir, Toyota Camry, 3/8 line for that one. This one's 5/8. So the small 3/8 line runs to the pump. That's the return from the pump back to the reservoir. The 5/8 line is the feed. That feeds the, or sorry, I meant steering box. The 5/8 line feeds the pump, and then you got your high pressure line from the pump to the steering box. So pretty simple system.